All right, this next exercise is for our shoulder internal rotation called shoulder internal rotation Pails rails. What you want to do is you want to lean up against a bench or a couch, something where you could get the back of your shoulder leaning up against the couch or the surface, and we want to place our elbow on top of the bench here. We want to make sure we're leaning into it so that this back part of the shoulder never leaves the bench. So from this position here, you're going to let this arm hang as low as you can. And the Pails activation is we're going to place our opposite hand on top of our wrist here, and we're going to drive this bottom hand up into our top hand without letting your top hand loose. So we're going to hold. You're going to start off at a 10% intensity, and you're going to slowly increase that to whatever prescribed amount of intensity you're given. You're going to hold that. Then you're going to take a deep breath in, and the rails activation is next. You're going to again drive your elbow down into the ground, keeping our elbow at 90 degrees here. You're not going to use this top hand at all. You're just going to use it as a point of reference here, and we're going to try to drive our wrist now down into the ground after taking a deep breath. So take a deep breath in, and we're going to drive that down. Hold. After you're done holding for the prescribed amount of time, you want to try to hold and maintain that new range of motion, lowering your hand on top. And then you go back into Pails activation, driving this hand up into this top hand here, driving up, holding. Again, you're noticing my shoulder is being fixated against the bench, driving up. And then rails activation, deep breath in, driving that wrist down, trying to improve that internal rotation of the shoulder.